the English class. Students, as in previous session we started a new chapter of First Flight, and the name of chapter is Madam Rides the Bus, and it is the 9th chapter and written by Wali Kanand. Students, in previous section we discussed about the author and a brief introduction of the summary of the chapter. And now today we are going to start explanation, but before starting explanation we will see about the main characters of the story. Students, two main characters are there in the story, although except of these two, some other characters are there who are also playing main role in this story, but here two main characters who have highlighted in the story are as first is Walamai. Walamai, that is an 8-year-old girl, and she wished to travel in bus. She was a single child of her parents, and she was not having any companion to play with her, and she was very eager and excited to know about new things, and a great curiosity she was having about journey by bus. And she was known as Wali. Wali was her nickname, and who also collected information about bus and about bus journey. And it means through the story we will come to know that even this Wali, then Walamai, who was having nickname as Wali, she was very curious about bus journey, and later on how she completed her desire. And next character is there, the bus conductor. The bus in which Wali did journey, and so bus was having a conductor, and that conductor was having jolly nature, and he addressed Wali as Madam, because as during journey by bus, Wali was behaving like a mature lady. So according to her nature, according to her sense of sitting and talking with conductor addressed her as by the name Madam. Student, now let's see the key points which we are going to cover in today's explanation. First is Walamai and her pastime. Second is Wali wants to travel in the bus. And another key point is Wali discovers details about the bus journey. So this story is about an 8-year-old girl then who was a single child of her parents, and her name was Walamai, and she was having a nickname as Wali. She was not having any sibling to play with her, and her favorite pastime was to stand nearby the door, because from her home, it means nearby her home, a place was there from daily a bus went to the town. So she saw people who got down and got up the bus, and she thought about them, and she became very excited to do journey by bus. She also had a wish to do journey by bus, because she never did. She never sat in a bus. So whenever she saw people do journey by bus, she became excited and started thinking that one day she would also do journey by bus. And especially when she saw her friends sitting in the bus and they shared their experiences about journey by bus, then she became overwhelmed. And her wish also became more stronger. And now one day her wish became a strong desire, and she decided to do journey by bus. Now here, as Wali wants to travel in the bus, even many times when she saw people doing journey by bus, and as bus was going from nearby her home to the town, so daily it was her favorite pastime. Whenever she got time, she stood nearby the door and she saw people laughing, talking, doing conversation, and now getting in the bus and getting off the bus. So she was watching all these things and she was comparing herself also as being a passenger of the bus. So now next point, Wally discovers details about the bus journey. So daily as she was thinking to complete her desire, to complete her wish to do journey by bus. So she thought to complete her desire and then she started collecting information about bus and about journey by bus, then how she could complete her wish, and then she collected information from the people and about her neighbors and how she could complete her wish. Because now day by day as she used to stare at the people while they got up and down the bus, so her desire became strong and now she wanted to fulfill it in any way. And even she became jealous from the people and from her friends then who shared experiences with her about journey by bus. So for many days and months, Wally listened to the talks of her neighbors and people who went on the bus journey. She even asked them some questions since they are regular travelers. So this way, she was able to get even the minute detail about the bus journey. She came to know the fare was 30 paise for one way and the trip to the town took 45 minutes. So she kept on planning and calculating the things for a long time. So when she came to know that here bus took 45 minutes to go to town by one way, and here she also collected information as 30 paise was fare of this bus. So by collecting all this information, then now she was ready to do journey by bus. Because here as she never did journey by bus, so she was excited about this. And as daily she was watching people doing journey by bus. So and she never got a chance. So this strong desire which she was having in her mind and in her heart, she wanted to complete it at any rate. So she collected information so that through this information she would be able to complete her desire. So finally now she was having all the information about bus and bus journey. So this information she collected and now she was waiting for the day when she would got up in the bus and she would enjoy the outer world. She would enjoy the journey by bus and she would enjoy and whatever she was watching from a long time and she was longing to do that. So students, in this part, in this section we have seen here two main characters are there of the story. Madam rides the bus, then Waliamai, then an 8-year-old girl who is having a nickname as Wally, and another character is the bus conductor and who was having a jolly nature. Now through explanation you will come to know about more details about bus conductor. And today we have covered these 3 points. Then as Wally was an 8-year-old girl who was excited, greatly excited and having a keen interest, we can say, or having a keen desire to do journey by bus. And she was having a favorite pastime to stand nearby the door and watching people then who were doing journey by bus, because bus was going from, it was passing from nearby her home to the town. So daily she was watching and she also wanted to be part of those passengers who were doing journey by bus. And finally she collected information about bus, about the timing taken by bus, about the fare of bus, and by collecting this information, now she was ready to do journey by bus and now she was waiting for the day. So students, I hope you have understood today's session and next part of this chapter we will read in next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.